Hi everybody, it's Claire back with another art journal video. This is a magazine collage page that I'm doing in my Large Dilutions journal. I'm just starting off on this page. There's no gesso and I'm just adding some collage tissue paper. So these are some mixes of collage tissue paper from Dina Wakley Media. The text ones, I love using the text ones. As you know, it's lovely to put text on your page. And then I'm just using a brayer and a little bit of white gesso and just pushing that away a little bit. Then I'm using this large stencil. This one's from Darkroom Door and it's just simply called Circles. I bet you can guess why. Just putting some really bright colours through this. So starting off with turquoise and then the lemon, and you can see the bit where they're blending is making a really pretty green as well. And then I'm using my favourite pink, the Permanent Red Violet Light from Amsterdam Acrylic, and adding that down in the bottom corner too, and where that's blending with the lemon it's making a kind of peachy orangey colour. Then for some unknown reason I decided I was going to do a colour wash over so that it gave the stenciled area a little bit of a pink hue. I think it looked okay, but then I felt I wanted to go back in and just brighten some of those colours up again. So put the stencil back over the top and just went back in and added a bit more colour back in where the pink wash had kind of dulled that colour a little bit. Did it for all of the colours that were on there, so the turquoise, the lemon and the pink too. And then I found this really cool image in a magazine. I think it's from the Elle magazine. This is also a Darkroom Door stencil, and I'm going to use the butterfly with some gloss spray. So that's Tangelo. And I think I also use rouge. Oh no, I think that might be fuchsia. Looks a bit like fuchsia. And then I am taking a print from that onto some music paper. Look at that, it's just amazing. Gloss sprays are so good for doing printed images from, because they, I don't know, they just, when you spray them onto stencils, it just works really, really well. If it's not something you've had a go at, you should really have a play with that because it is great fun. And then I'm using this lovely gold gesso from the Crafters Workshop and just adding a little bit of a gold hue to that butterfly, and then going in with the black gel pen and just adding some outlines to the pattern that's on the butterfly shape. So the reason I'm doing this is because this kind of just pulls out the detail in the butterfly, and it means that it will stand out a bit better from the background when it's stuck on the page. Then I decided I was going to cut those antennae off because I'm not going to need them because they're going to be stuck behind the figure. So I'm sticking this in place using some glue stick, and then I'm going to be adding the whole lot onto the page. Okay, so now that's in place, I'm just using a pit marker pen and just adding some shadow around the bottom of the page and just down some of the sides of the figure and the butterfly. Again, this just helps to give a bit more definition to the edges and helps them to stand out a bit from the background. And then I decided I would add a few more shadows to the shapes on the butterfly. And then I'm going in with my white Posca pen and adding some more details. So next I'm using a white gel pen, and I decided that I wanted to bring out some of the details on the dress, so I'm just using my pen and going around and sketching around some of the black speaking very well, the black squares on the dress, and where I can't see any, I'm just kind of making it up really. So this is one of the fun things that you can do with magazine images, is you can add your own details onto them. So I'm going in with the white Posca pen now and just having a bit of a play and adding some white dots on there, and just making it a little bit more interesting. And then I've given her a little heart too. And I'm just drawing some lines for my writing to go on, using the black Posca pen again, just to do some text on this page. So once I've written the text on this page, that really is about it. That's how it came together. So sometimes it's really fun just to play with a magazine image and just see how you can alter it to make that really fun focal image for your page. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon for another art journal video.